Well, here's the sweet potato patch. Time to harvest. We're going to harvest the sweet potatoes out of the bed here first, the raised bed. And then we're going to compare that with the sweet potatoes that are in this mound of straw. All right, let's start right here.
Okay.
Let's just pull this up, see what we get. Oh, I see a sweet potato. I see a sweet potato.
Let me get the rest. Let me clear it.
Grab it out of there, big girl. Just pull it out of there. Holy moly! Show me that sweet potato. Woohoo!
Yeah, look at this!
Holy cow, that's the biggest sweet potato I've ever seen. Look
Now that's a sweet potato.
Now let's do this.
What else we got in here?
Except this.
Hold on. You gotta keep digging. Oh, there's a
This
whole
one.
bunch of them in here. Hold on, we gotta go soft.
We don't want to hold it.
Okay, you gotta bring them out. Here, grab that one. There we go. Let's see. Nice. All right, let me see that. Let's see if we can get that other one.
Yeah.
See,
Let me
it's
get
like
this
you
one on
gotta
my
wiggle it
own.
and then pull. Wow, we've got sweet potatoes. I think we're gonna have a good harvest.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna continue digging and then we'll show you what we get.
Yeah.
All right, big girl, let's get this one right here.
Yeah.
Start digging down in there, see if there's anything there. Oh, there's one right there already.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
Gonna dig right here to see if it can come out.
Here it comes.
Here it comes. This is a big.
Yeah, not bad. Oh, there's more down in here.
Okay.
Yeah. There's another one.
Let me get this one out by my own.
Okay, got it?
Mm.
I think that's about it. There's a little one. Here, why don't you dig in there? There gotta be some in there. Oh, there it is.
This.
There it is.
There it is.
That's like a ball. Nice.
Last one.
Oh, there's more.
There's one right here. I see a root. They're right here.
Okay, go ahead. Be careful. You gotta get under it. Nice. Nice. There you go. Let me see. I see your pretty face. Pretty smiling face. Okay, well that's it for the raised bed. The kids are still searching for more. This is what we got.
Yeah,
Pretty good haul.
more.
Not bad. I'll weigh those up later and we'll
More.
see what we got. All right, on to the straw bale bed. All right, let's peel back these vines. It's so easy to pull these out of here compared to the dirt in the raised bed. Hi.
Hi. I'm trying to balance out here.
That straw just turned into soil. All right, I'm gonna finish this straw bale pile and we'll get back with the final count. Okay, here's the final harvest from the 2 beds. We got a bucket full of sweet potatoes from the raised bed with the dirt and soil, and then we've got the sweet potatoes from the straw pile. Looks about the same actually. I'm going to weigh them up and see what the total weight is between the 2 of them. But a couple comments is the ones from the soil, the raised bed soil, the dirt, you know, they're nice. There don't seem to be any blemishes. They seem to be, I don't know, maybe not a little bigger, but I think I got bigger ones from the soil, and a little harder to dig out, but not a big deal. The pros for the straw sweet potatoes, so easy to get out, no real digging to do whatsoever. But there are a couple that, especially this big one, there's some, almost looks like, you know, rotten, a little bit rotten, maybe because the straw is always wet. It's not soft or anything, it's just discolored there. But I did see a couple that are kind of, you know, on the greenish yellow side. It's a little soft. That's probably not good. But all in all, not bad. Okay, here we go. I've got the bucket of sweet potatoes from Beauregard sweet potatoes from the soil. Let's see what they weigh. $17.2 pounds. And now the sweet potatoes from the straw pile. Here we go. 14.2 pounds. So it looks like the soil bed is the winner. Well, here's the final haul between the 2 beds. We've got about 30 pounds of sweet potatoes right here, and that's not bad for my first go around. Well, thanks for joining me again. I hope you enjoyed this comparison between the two beds, you know, the soil and the straw. It was fun. It was a learning experience. The soil beat out the straw bed by about 3 pounds. The straw, however, was a lot easier to harvest the potatoes. There were a couple of potatoes that were kind of a little bit, I don't want to say rotten, but they were soft in a couple spots, probably because the straw retains so much water. So that was kind of a downfall there, kind of a negative. The soil bed produced more, you know, and a little harder to dig out, but you know, no big deal. So I would probably, if I had to choose between the 2 methods, go with the soil. All right, y'all have a good week. Have a good day, and you know, enjoy life. All right, and keep growing. Let's grow. Let's grow. Let's grow. All right, God bless everybody. Look, my wife is making me lunch. Or is that for our grandkids?
Yeah, not for you.
What do I get?
Nothing.
Nothing. But I'm a big hungry man.
Figure it out.
Oh man. Maybe some coffee. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks everybody. Bye.